Yo, what's up? It's Sidebrain. I want to show you a quick trick how to make a very easy ambient piano using the Hybrid Reverb and custom samples. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing, let's go and load piano. It can be any instrument you want. In this case, it's just a built-in upright piano from Spitfire in Ableton. Just this. Okay, now I'm going to load the Hybrid Reverb. And the Hybrid Reverb, besides having algorithms, it's also a convolution reverb. So let's choose just the convolution side right here. And this using audio samples, just like WAV files. So you can essentially take anything you want. Here we got this just like background noise of people talking. Let's use that. I'm going to put it on 100% wet. And we probably need something to also boost the volume. So let's just put like a glue compressor. We'll boost it just to make up gain a tiny bit. And this is the piano again, just a regular piano without. And here is with our custom sample. As you can see here now we have user on the selection. You can load whatever sample you want, even record yourself. So it's a tiny bit resonating. Let me take out some mid frequencies here. I'm barely touching any notes. Because it takes that audio file and processes it as the IR, as the impulse response for the reverb. And essentially you can put any sound you want there. So just a quick trick for making ambient sounds or just getting like very unique space, because we can always take the decay down, make it really short. The size down will kind of determine the pitch. You can get very unique spaces, or of course very ambient spaces, using your own custom WAV files in the Hybrid Reverb. So that's it, quick trick, catch you next time.